Enabling Prevent. Cross-site tracking on your iPhone 16 helps protect your privacy by stopping websites from tracking your browsing activity across different sites. Here's how to access and manage this setting. First, swipe up from the bottom of the current display to get to the home screen. From the home screen, tap on the settings icon. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on Apps. Find Safari from the list of apps and then tap on it to proceed. In the Safari app settings, navigate to the Privacy and Security section. Here you can find Prevent Cross-Site Tracking among other options. Once found, simply tap the toggle switch next to it to turn the feature on or off. When enabled, websites will have limited ability to track your browsing activities across different domains. It helps protect your privacy by blocking websites from following your online activity across the internet. This also reduces the amount of data collected about you by advertisers and other entities. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more relevant smartphone tips and tutorials.